In the heart of Kerala's Palakkad plains, where canals feed paddy fields and life flows with the seasons, Moksha Stories brings travelers into living rural traditions. Every journey is co created with local farmers, artisans, and performers, turning villages into classrooms, theatres, and kitchens. Guests stay in restored heritage farm homes, learn traditional crafts like mat weaving and palm leaf umbrellas, taste heirloom recipes, and witness rituals that have survived centuries. Their flagship Canal Stories experience celebrates water, land, and culture, weaving visitors into daily life while supporting livelihoods and reviving endangered arts.
So my message is simple. Let's stop dreaming tourism in next decades while our communities and culture is struggling today. Let's build or let's design tourism that works today.
Here, tourism isn't just sightseeing, it's listening, learning, and leaving communities stronger than you found them.